In this video, we'll show you what to do if the apps are crashing constantly on your Android phone and you can't seem to use them as usual. So in most cases, this usually happens with a specific app or program. So for instance, if WhatsApp is continuously crashing on your phone, what you can do is simply long press on it and then tap this info icon right here. Now tap the force stop option and then select OK to confirm. Now here scroll down and then tap on storage and then tap the clear cache option. Now try opening WhatsApp again and see if it works. If it still won't work, you can come back to this menu and then tap this clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. So this will basically reset all the data inside the WhatsApp app and you will be able to start from scratch. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to head to the Play Store and then search for the WhatsApp app. If there is an update available for the app, simply install it from here. If the app is already updated, you can try uninstalling it and then reinstalling it. However, if it's a system app that you can't seem to remove, for instance, if it's Chrome crashing on your Android phone, you won't see the uninstall option. In that case, you need to tap this three dot icon and then choose uninstall updates and then choose uninstall updates again. Once you have done this, go to the Play Store again and then find Google Chrome and then update the app from here. Once you have updated the app, it should run as usual. I've shown steps for WhatsApp and Chrome, but these steps will work for almost any app on your Android phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.